Right now, to help support women battling cancer in Metro Atlanta, one local initiative is spreading positivity, one care package at a time.
It's just trying to, like I said, give a woman a smile, a moment of inspiration, a moment of hope, and a moment through a gift.
Buffy Jabard offers care kits to women in their own cancer treatment journeys through the Chemo Care Package project. Jabard first started the program 8 years ago. The initiative is meant to give women hope in their cancer diagnosis. Each kit is specifically crafted by women for women and funded through donations.
For me, it's about smiles and inspiration. You know, how can I empower another woman to feel good, even if it's just for a moment?
So from now until the end of November, Jabard is collecting donations to create even more of her care kits. She'll be distributing them through Breast Cancer Awareness Month in October to treatment clinics in Metro Atlanta. For details on how you can donate, visit our website and look for this story, 11alive.com.